Man. Alright. Okay. Oh, shoot, I hit the record button, huh? I'm the great Marleedum. And welcome back to The Walking Zombie. Now, things happen, and I don't know. I forgot to upload. I was doing absolutely nothing. What am I talking about? So, let's see. That's nice. I need some boo-dades. So, where we left off, we killed a cult. We destroyed a cult, you know. So it's nice. Ah, yes. Woof. Sorry, it was impossible. You are my new oh my god. What? You are my new owner now! I'm gonna name you Fido. Okay. So I'm gonna start. Ooh. I like that car. Why don't you still got that poop on your desk? Yep, as always. So we got a rocket launcher, now we need some ammunition. My men told me that you can get some rockets at the airport, okay? What men? Do you mean the men that we were in the bathroom with you last night? Okay, but in the last episode, in the last episode, if you saw, we got some stuff. You know, stuff. Stuff is always good, because stuff is stuff. So, I believe today, who's gonna give me money? So, let's go look for the mayor stuff first. Now, this video is going to be heavily edited. Hopefully. I don't know. I might just upload it and call it a mega episode or something. Is that a tank? Nope, it's just two cars stacked on top of each other. Load the weapon stock. Okay. You'll be able to tell if it's edited or not because it didn't add. Because. Ooh, snaps. Okay, so. Look at those skills. Ooh, okay. Open the door with a welder. Why? Also, I'm only going to do a frying pan. You know what? No. Jeez, it took like 30 hits to kill that guy. Why can't? You know, that's the one thing that's annoying about this game. You can't jump. I mean, yeah, jumping. Wait, why am I wasting my ammo on these guys? I got a frying pan. Iron scrap. Ooh. Stop it. Okay, find the key to the locker. Ooh. Is it up here? Global epidemic. That sounds familiar. Is that the only song my guy knows how to play? What's in here? Oh. Boink. You know what? Okay, so there goes them. Bang! 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 Hey, while I have you here, you know how I'm lazy and I don't like to edit my videos. That was such an amazing kick. I was wondering if you guys would be okay if I started streaming somehow. Yes, you heard me. Streaming. But the one thing that I'm always scared about with, oh my gosh. So the one thing that I don't want to do while streaming is like, I'll be streaming, then someone does something, they're like, like something happens that's not planned. You know, because it's all live. I kind of want to stream, but then I kind of don't. If you guys have any suggestions, I don't know how to stream. There. I just don't know how. And when I stream, my schedule will not be freaking consistent. Yes, I'm just gonna put that doghouse in my pocket. Okay, tell me. Oh. Get out of here. This is why your girlfriend dumped you, cause you're Fortnite. Ah! Aha. Let me just yoink, 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 yoink. Eat. Stop. I think I got worse at this game. What? Load the doghouse into the car. That's not my car! Ooh. Alright, you all ready to see some... Nailed it! Yes! Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go buy myself a cookie just for that. Put. Oh, I have to... Oh, what is that? Looks like someone took a big old slimy dump in that. Kill zombies. Okay, it's time to Call of Duty camp. Get... So if you guys think I should stream, let me know in the comment section. Because I don't like editing my videos. Now, I will still upload content onto YouTube. Yes, I will... How did I hit him from that far? Don't complain. I'll still upload stuff onto YouTube. I'm not gonna put it on top. Okay. I'm still gonna upload stuff onto YouTube. But... yeah. Oh, he looks very dead. Take the money. Okay, look, you walked all this way over here and you're just gonna die. There's no point in that. Give me that. Where's this dog food at? Whoa. This is a giant friggin' bag. This is super dog food. Is my dog gonna get, like, superhuman powers or something? Okay, look, man. You need a new shirt. You've come at me like 30 times like that before. I mean, your date probably dumped you because you smell like you just came out of the men's locker room after they've just had a sweaty wrestling match. And look at you. I mean, how did you even escape from prison? Like, seriously. Your wife dumped you because you have no sense in... Yeah, I tried to roast and I fail miserably. Please, someone help. Where do I put it? Okay. You know, I actually thought about playing this game for YouTube. But, I don't know. Okay. On Amazon, all the stuff in that game was free. So now let's go over here. I've played that game before. It's super fun. Oh, I thought that was a cannon. Bing, bing. 2 clean
shots. Now that is what I want to see. Okay, first off, put in the wires. Where's this supposed to be? I was hoping someone was going to be in there. Why can't this man do it himself? Just because I'm the one guy that's immune doesn't mean anything. God. Like, if you're not the main character of the story, that one bite would have turned you into a zombie. Ooh, I hear you freaking bums all over the place. Go away. Oh, man. Jeez. Are you serious? Go away! Don't you guys know? The door's closed. Come again, never, you freaking bums. I actually like this place. Find a generator. Like, why can't I jump out the window? It's so bogus. That's more bogus than the amount of assignments my teachers gave me. Wait, what? Out of ammo? What? That's fine, we have a frying pan. How do you still know where I am? Like, your freaking eyeballs are gone. Give me a second, give me a second. Nice. Over 2,000 bullets for this thing. Oh, come on. Okay, there's that guy. Okay, now. Find a generator! Look at this, I'm just dumping it onto the generator. Make the radio operational. Just give me a second, let me...
Do you copy? Over.
Yes, I have the delivery for Rocket. A new laser cannon. Over.
Oh.
When can we pick it up? Over.
Over.
Tonight in the quarry. Over.
And what about Chuck?
Over.
We will blow him up, the whole Springfield. Over and out.
Out.
Out. I'm just like, no, 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 no! Oh, dang. Oh my god, I don't care! Bruh. Okay. So... we're just gonna go.
Hey, Chuck, someone's gonna kill you. It must be ready for sleepovers. You see, the stranger has a laser cannon should be delivered to someone called Rocket. What? Rocket? Him? Beep. That's not good. Why? Who is he? Rocket used to be a ranger and my friend. Like, are we talking army rangers or like, you know. But he hates me now and is trying to kill me. Well, what did you do, you sack of crap? Let's head to the airport. We will kill a few zombies first, and after that I will tell you what happened with Rocket. Okay, Boomer. Yes. Woof, I need a collar too. Woof. Freaking dog. Okay, Mr. Mayor! Mr. Mayor! I have some doo-doo you can put on your desk. Finally, while you were at the airport, we had a fight with bandits. Oh my god! They took up out of the city. Take my car and get them out of there. Okay, Boomer. Okay, what else? Who else wants to tango? Alright. Ooh, okay, hold on. I just leveled up 2 levels. Hold on. Okay. So now, let's us... Whoa. Horde of zombie dogs. Please don't. Failure. I did click the wrong button. That's nice. Oh, I thought they were reindeer for a minute. You all know I am the superior being. Okay, you know what? Okay, here we are. We are now at the aeroport. Open world possibility of making it. Look at this boy.
I want to see how good he is. I'm gonna do absolutely nothing. He's trash. I did most of the work there.
Hey. Alright. La-da-dee, la-da-dee. That was my kill. Look at this man, he took literally no damage. Jeez. Sit and listen to Chuck's story, okay.
Let's sit down.
Uh-oh.
I will tell you a story of why Rocket hates me.
Oh, wee!
Have you lost your mind? Don't you know we have an important job to do here? You will attract zombies from the whole city. I will kill everything I attract. So what is the problem? Stop it now. No way.
So you just body him.
Don't try anything stupid. I'll get a car, and we'll get out of here.
Bruh. Oh wait, so he just left him there?
There's too many of them. I will come back for you. I swear.
So... Uh-oh. Oh, he just shot me! Bruh.
The expulsion of the bandits. Okay, open world possibility of making gas. Searching through generated locations. Who are these guys? Expel. I heard a what? Who's shooting? Oh wait, hold up, I don't have the health for this. What am I supposed to do? Oh. Hold on. Okay. Well, actually... Boy! Who else is here? So even though it's a zombie apocalypse, we're still waging wars. Boy! Oh my gosh, I know. Man. Takes my dice, freaking forever. We'll use our frying pan. Can y'all just stop? Like for real, let me guess. Uh-oh, I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. I got green beans, tomatoes, potatoes. Oh, no, 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 no. Nope, I'm not dying. Let me tell you, I probably accidentally clicked on that stupid ad 32 times. Can you don't? Oh, that's it. Okay, well, I'm gonna do some things real quick. I will be back. Actually, you know what? I'll just record it, and after I get this done, it looks like it's gonna be find another way to smuggle. Okay, I don't. Now that I'm at the end, I don't know if I want to edit this, because Power Corrector is not the most reliable.
It's just like, oh wait, can we go visit the cult again? No, right. I mean, that's... I mean, who wouldn't see that there? It was like, huh, there's just a random bookshelf. That wasn't very nice.
Can you don't? Bang. Okay. Yeet, boy. Of course, it's a puker. It can't be anything else but pukers.
That sounds so disgusting. The passage is flooded with poop! Turn the valve. Turn the valve. If and when I get a actual good computer, we will be playing actual good games. Ow, ow, my butt cheeks. They were too big and they got caught. Oh no, said the
celebrities. He's like, I don't know, my butt cheeks are too big, and let me just take a selfie and show you how much they hurt. Cough, cough, Alinity, cough, cough. I know that was a terrible reference. I don't even do anything on Twitch. Boy. Ah! We just turned the valve. Now, watch this. I'm about to speed run through this. Owie. Pain. Psych! You can kiss my left butt cheek, dude. Ah! Look here. Do I have anything with which to heal my delicate anus with? No? Okay. Look at all the scripts of it. Yeah, boy, look at me go. Get out. Friggin' die. When I say die, you die. I have not said die to you loyal subscribers, so you're not going anywhere. Ow! Stop it! You friggin' basketball brain. Repair the bridge. How do these stupid things keep on getting broken? Oh, looks like we're gonna turn the valve. Okay, like. Hey! You know what? I'm not even gonna waste ammo. Yoink, yoink, yoink. I don't know that guy's aim. His aim is worse than the freaking babies. I don't know what I was supposed to say. I'm sorry. Jorana friggin' you. See, I would have loved to jump that. Zombie cheerleader. Psych boy. Yeah, your boyfriend is pretty. You guys are friggin' tiny. Die. Ugh, that's so gross. Get out of here. Quit drinking apple juice. That's not appropriate. Okay. Die!
boy. This will kill him. Psych boy.
Your aim's trash. Alright. So, I think we're gonna end this episode of The Walking Zombie to Earth! So, yeah. So, we're gonna go over here. So, if you guys like this... Yep, I understand. So, if you guys like this video, there's a like button and a subscribe button. That's what I thought, Jackson. Okay, Tony. So, there's a like button and a there's a like button and a subscribe button. Please hit those. And it takes me takes me a while to make these. So, if you like them, please like the video. If you didn't, well, then I don't know what to say. I'm sorry. Give success. Okay, adios, amigos. See you.